Hey y'all, it is Cass. I am so excited to be back to you guys with some content I know you guys will love. I have taken my most recent 10 DIY photo shoots, got them into a video for you guys just like I did, and you guys really loved that. So I'm bringing it back with 2 new DIY photo shoots that you guys can do. Most of these I did at home, a lot of these I did on my phone, so you guys can definitely accomplish these. I will link in the description the specific shoots if you really want to get deep down, see the tutorials exactly how I did them. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get it.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so, you not a threat, cause I really know so-and-so, they like my family, so they go pretend that they cool till they bust at your motherfucking chest. I'm getting gutter, my flow been like butter, my check in the bank, they see the number. All of my haters feel one of 2 ways, really upset or they show some respect. I can't even think about it, I've been up, so read about it, no beat around it, straight to it, no ring around it. You coming for me, we'll see about it, we'll never see it when I get my feet up. 100 meters where I run the fee up, and go ka-ching and I'm on a pia. I had to re-up on a reel, so you stay defeated, and put it back into the bit, cause I don't really need it. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I had to put all their egos in check. You're not entitled to anything else. I get 10 years of this under my...
Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I have some stuff that I've been working on, a little project. A lot of y'all probably peeped it now, but I'm so excited for it to be coming. See y'all.